Well, it's 6:30 in the morning. It's been raining since 9 o'clock last night. This is the front edge of the hurricane. We've still got the main event to come, which is about 24 hours away, maybe 18. We've had gusts up to 45. Now it's about 30, 35. A lot of rain. It's going to cause a lot of damage in the village. A lot of roads are going to get washed away, but you can see it's the wind's coming from the northeast, and there's a lot of boats rocking around, and yeah, got the worst to come, probably between 5 o'clock this afternoon till about midnight. I think we'll probably get 60 plus. It forecasts 35 for this period, and that's exactly what we've got. We gusts to 45. But so far so good. Radio's been chattering. There's boats broken loose on the Magote. They're obviously going to end up on the beach. I don't know whether anybody's on board. People are just reporting that boat was sailing straight past them. Obviously broke loose or broke the mooring. Got a few leaks, one above the bed which isn't very useful, and a few other leaks. A lot of water coming down through the deck, the keel step mast, so the bilge is going off quite often. But there it is. So far so good. Just a lot of rain. Yeah. Yeah, I've been listening on the radio. There's a lot going. Yeah, and there's a lot of boats piled up in the hotel, all in the apartment block.
Whatever you're filming, I want to see it.
Yeah, okay. In front of that apartment block on the beach.
Really?
Yeah. Somebody sent me a photo. It's getting pretty wild now. There's only about 4 feet left in the pylons on some of the docks. The old stack packs add a bit of windage. The one over there is really playing with the boom. A bit of swell starting to come in. And it's now blowing 58.